Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable and disable games to use the Discord overlay. This is going to be the thing that shows up in a corner depending on where you have it set up. That you get to see your Discord channel, you get to see people who are in your channel, and people will appear and talk. Sometimes this can be annoying depending on the game. So today I'm going to be showing you how to enable it and disable it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Discord client, and we're going to be coming down to the bottom left, right next to where we see our name, and we're going to be clicking on the cogwheel here for user settings. From here, what we're going to look for is the game activity tab, where below this we should see a bunch of added games to our Discord, and we should see a bunch of different icons here with a monitor with a red line through it, or just a grayed out monitor. If the monitor is set to gray, that means the overlay is enabled. If the line is set to red, that means the overlay is disabled. To disable an overlay, all you need to do is toggle the overlay by clicking on top of it, which will disable it. Or if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is click on it once it's off, and then it'll be reset to on. Anyway guys, it's that easy to turn off Discord's overlay for your games. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.